Intro. Hey everyone, you've just scored a big deal. You're celebrating with your friends, and you want to split the bill evenly. But how do you do that without everyone's card details? What if you could just add them to your account, make the payment, and let them settle up later? Question: can you add someone to your Monzo account? Let's find out together. What is Monzo? Monzo is a popular mobile-only bank that's known for its sleek interface and innovative features. It's designed to make banking easier and more accessible. But can you share your account with others? The short answer: no. Unfortunately, Monzo doesn't allow you to add other people as joint account holders. This means you can't give someone else direct access to your account balance or the ability to make transactions on your behalf. Why can't I add someone? There are a few reasons for this limitation. Security: Monzo prioritizes security. Allowing multiple people to access an account could increase the risk of fraud or unauthorized transactions. Privacy: your financial information is personal. Monzo wants to ensure that your data remains private and protected. Account ownership: Monzo accounts are designed for individual use. Adding joint account holders could complicate matters related to account ownership and liability. Alternative solutions: while you can't add someone as a joint account holder, there are still ways to manage shared finances. Monzo pots: create separate pots for specific purposes like rent, bills, or vacations. You can invite friends or family to contribute to these pots using a unique link. Split the bill: Monzo's app has a built-in feature that allows you to split bills with friends. Simply scan the bill or enter the total amount, and everyone can contribute their share. Request money: if you need someone to pay you back, you can send them a request through the Monzo app. They can then pay you directly using the app. Monzo's community features. Monzo also has a strong community aspect. You can join groups or forums to connect with other users, share tips, and ask questions. This can be a great way to get advice and learn more about the app. Conclusion: while you can't add someone to your Monzo account as a joint account holder, there are plenty of other ways to manage shared finances. Monzo's pots, bill-splitting features, and community can help you streamline your payments and collaborate with friends and family. So, the answer to your question is, no, you can't add someone to your Monzo account. But with the right tools and strategies, you can still handle shared finances efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.